my creative friends. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this really sweet Hanging Hearts Valentine's Day card. This is, I usually do shadow box cards, but I wanted to try to mix it up a little bit. So I'm doing a little something different. And just make sure that you have all your pieces cut out on your Cricut or your Silhouette machine. I have both of those. Honestly, I use my Cricut a lot. I'm still learning how to use my Silhouette, but I want to know how to do both. So I'm excited about that. I'm always trying to learn something new. So anyway, I don't know if you care about that or not, but anyway, this is a really cute little card. And so I'm going to start by taking my base and just gluing down this first layer. And I chose these colors because it reminded me of strawberries and chocolate, which I absolutely love. One of my favorite Valentine treats. So I'm going to take this and just center it on the front of the base. All right, and this piece, I just cut it out white, but obviously you could, if you have some coordinating paper that you want to use that's cute, that would go with the rest of it, you know, obviously you can do it with any color you want. Use glitter paper, or any, you know, sparkly, blingy kind of paper that you want, which you could do with any of the pieces, obviously. But this is just to show you how to put it together. So this one, I'm actually going to pop this up off the front of the card. So I'm going to set this aside for the moment. And these are the Hanging Hearts. So I'm going to show you. I'm just going to take these off. So the big one goes to the left, the long one in the middle, and then this one goes to the right. And so what I'll do is I'll just kind of place them on here, and they're going to go up to the very top edge. And if you do it correctly, or even just, you know, it's pretty forgiving, but they should space out pretty evenly on the front. So what I'll do, I'm going to start in the middle so I can kind of find the middle with that one. And I'm going to glue it down. I do love, oh, I am making a mess. I do love my Barely Art Craft glue. I know I say it just about every video, but this stuff is awesome. And it dries quickly, which is good if you're in a hurry. Not so good if you're not, but, and it has those precision tips. So I'm just gonna try to find my middle. About there. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close. I'm gonna try to get it up to the top edge of the card. All right, that one's good. And then I'm gonna put this one, the big heart, on the left. And I like my tweezers. I feel like I have fat fingers, and so these seem to help me with that problem. All right, so then that's going to go, just line it up at the top edge there. Oops. Sometimes those little skinny pieces get moved around a bit. All right, and then this piece is going to go right about there. So it looks like I did not do it quite. It's a little off, but it's okay because it won't matter. It's still gonna look cute. Adjust as needed. I don't want to have to peel it off and recut it, because the one thing about this glue is it sticks when it sticks. All right, so it's still gonna look cute. Just gonna be a little more of an edge over there than I originally wanted, but that's not a problem. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna glue down my big heart. In the middle of this one. And this next size heart up goes here. And you might just want to place those on there beforehand just to make sure you got the right one, because they're pretty obvious, but I do make mistakes. And it frustrates me to death, but you know, we learn when we make mistakes. Okay, so these little hearts, you can look at the picture, but these are going to go, there's going to one here and one here, and then I'm going to space the other two out. So I'm going to put this one right at the bottom of this heart, hanging heart. Do another one at the bottom of this one. There we go. And then I'm going to put one here and then one here to just offset a little bit so that it gives it a little movement. So I'm going to put this one right about there in the middle. Make sure it's going to stick. And I'll do this one right about there. Just kind of lined up in the middle of that hanging piece. All right, very cute. And then this one, and of course you can, you know, I'm a paper girl. I do a lot of stuff in paper. And I am I would consider myself a lazy crafter. If I can do it quick and with paper instead of getting out a whole bunch of different materials, I will do it that way. But you can use vinyl if you prefer to do the lettering. And I just put that like, ooh, it's stuck. There we go. Kind of along that bottom space there where it fits just so. All right, so we got that done. So now I'm going to just pop this piece up a little, and I'm going to use my sticky strips that I got on Amazon. I need to list those in my video down there in the description. I've got to go back and do that. I'm telling y'all, I'm new at this, running an little art business, and I've been designing and crafting for a while, but it's only been in the last couple of years that I've actually started trying to sell what I do, and it's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. It's also a lot of work, and this is my encore career, which I absolutely love. I'm glad to be doing something that lets me use my artistic tendencies, and I feel very blessed that the Lord has given me the opportunity. But yeah, you don't just sit back and go, oh yeah, it'll all work out. You have to put the work in, and I'm happy to do that. It keeps my brain going. All right, so this last piece, we're just going to kind of center it on the chocolate. And you could actually, I could have popped these up. I probably should have, but I didn't. But you could do that popped up there as well, and it still will look really cute. I don't know if I want to pick those off, because they will they'll bend, and no, I don't want to. But you could. So keep that in mind. If you want to pop those up, you can. But I think it looks really cute and would make a really sweet card just to let somebody know you love them. I hope you enjoyed this card, putting it together, and I hope that you'll have an opportunity to give it away to someone that you care about. Have a happy Valentine's Day, and see you next time.